Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Country House. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook section. We get to see what's happening in the market and then see how we can capitalize on it, see what we can get from it, and you guys get to see my strategy, how I get my entries, how I get my exits. Yeah. So before we get started, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and as usual, you can always drop comments on what you want to be seeing. Now, let's go ahead. Fundamental wise, we only have we have fundamental news on GBP by 1 p.m. That's a monetary policy statement. This is going to be wild also. Then we have 2:15 on the euro, and then we have by 2:45 on the euro also. So today is looking pretty how will I put it? The traffic is high. So we might see some movements in the market or a lot of movements in the market. So let's jump on our charts and see. So this is NZD-USD. So now NZD-USD consolidated for a while here, yeah. Yeah, we created the high, then we came down, we tapped into this low, and then we basically exploded to the upside. We are actually looking out if we could break below, but then we not see that break below. I was dreading that break above, but then we have it. So what can we look out for? This is one whole range now. From here to here. From here to here is one whole range. From here to here is that's one impulsive move. From here to here is one impulsive move. So price has created an impulsive move. Where are we going to see it react at now? First, I have this. I'll just take this whole area here like this. Why am I taking this whole area here? Because this is a high and this is another one here. So price might react inside one of these highs. Let me drop my Fibonacci from the low to the high, from here to here. From here to here, you can see that the 0.61 it is just at the middle of that point. So I actually see price come back into this area here before we go up. But then another thing, discouraging, it's not discouraging, but then another thing that might happen is what price just come to react here. We'll have a short retracement. Price will just come, tap into this area, and then we'll basically just continue to the upside. Either ways, let's just watch out and see what happens. But the zones, me, I'm paying attention to the zones I would like to see price react at. It's basically these ones, this area here around the 0.618. That's where I'd like to see price react. That's an area I'm comfortable taking an entry from. Then the next one is AED-USD. AED-USD, what's happening? This is my voice still skipping? Someone said my voice is skipping.
Somehow, but I think it's not stable.
Oh, now it's stable, yeah? Okay. Person said my voice is still skipping. Wow, this is nice. This is actually nice. So if we look at what AED-USD has just done here, we had this high yesterday. So I was telling you guys about the sell. I think Rashid was talking about his sell on AED-USD yesterday. And I was like, before I would sell, I would like to see price come and break this area. It's so that we don't just sell and then we'll start buying again. And it's actually what happened. We actually sold and then we started buying to the upside. Good morning. We actually sold for a while, but then we just tapped into that support level and then we just exploded to the upside. So now, price has broken this resistance to the upside. What can we watch out for to see whether the resistance will hold as what? A support area next time price gets there. So we have this whole range here. And the 0.61, it is just around that area. So I'm going to set an alert there and wait for price to get there. I might actually enter this one aggressively. It looks like a very beautiful setup, honestly. I might enter this one aggressively. Let's just pay attention and see how it goes. Then why did I have AED-JPY here? It was AED-JPY. What did we? Oh, it was a buy. That buy, that was this his name, Seth. What's that boy's name? Gideon. They buy Gideon forecasted yesterday on AED-JPY. Turns out this thing actually sold. Just one of those days. Let's continue. my red list. GBP USD. Honestly, for a while, I've just been leaving this money low. I've just been leaving this money. But then let's delete all of this and then see what GBP USD did. Sec. Okay, cool. Let's continue. So now, GBP USD was consolidating. We exited that range the other day. Yeah, and then we consolidated for a while, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then it was more or less like we took our liquidity to the down from the downside, and then we exploded to the upside. So now we have like same thing with all the other pairs. We have like a support, a resistance that might hold as a support, but then this range is looking too weird for me. I'll not, even if I see price get into this area, I'll not want to take buys here. Why? I think something Rashid mentioned yesterday. That's because it's not up to the 50% of the Fibonacci range. Okay, it's up to the 50, but then it's not deep. Anyways, let's just watch how it goes. What am I seeing? Am I the only person saying, what is Rashid Berry loves Halima?
Why you see?
Please. Maybe we should stop this thing. Rashid, stop oppressing me. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Now me use my hand, accept him and enter the session now. Let's continue here. So let's just see if we can see price get into the area. But me, honestly, GU is a very weird pair. For now, I just want to leave it alone. I just have a bad feeling about it. But then if you want to watch out for the areas, this is basically the area you can watch out for. First, this one I highlighted here, and then you can still watch around the Fibonacci areas too. Then sorry, Euro USD. What is this? Lord. I'm going to leave this one alone. The price movement is too straight. Let me check the 4H and see. Okay, now I understand what happened. So price just broke this high to the upside here on the 4H. So we have a zone here, but that zone is just the 4H zone. I'm not supposed to be drawing my zones on the 4H. But then it's just to make sense of it. That's why I'm actually drawing this there. That's an area we can pay attention to. This whole area here on Euro USD. But me, honestly, I'm not going to trade it. Euro USD, GBP USD. I am, how will I put it? Leaving them alone for now. Then, this nigga right here. So actually, we eventually broke to the downside. This was our analysis yesterday, yeah? That we should break to the downside, come back and retest. We broke to the downside, but then we did not get that retest. We did not get that proper retest. What I'll just do again is highlight these lows. Yeah, since it's a downtrend, I'm expecting it to continue. So if we can see a break, then we'll look for the next retest. That's what I would talk about this one. Let me delete something. At the same time, this zone is still very much valid. This zone here is still very much valid. Price has not tapped inside yet. So another thing you might see is just price go. We'll have sharp moves to the upside, tap inside here, and then we'll sell to the downside. So that's basically what I'm watching out for on this one. Then, gold. Should we talk about gold or should we just leave it alone? What type of movement is this?
Leave gold, though.
What type of movement is this? I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone for now. Anyways, is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
Yeah, GU.
I said I've looked at GU now. This is what I have on GU, yeah. So
Okay.
GU just broke to the upside here. Me, I'm not trading it though, but if you want to trade it, these are the levels you can watch out for.
As
These
my boss no
here,
trader.
which one your boss not trader? This level here, and then you can still watch out for the Fibonacci areas around here. Let me highlight it around here like this.
61.8.
Yeah. So that's basically that. Please, we don't do US 30 yet. Someone is saying US 30. We know they do
Yeah.
US 30. US 30 go wound me. I don't know. See, this stuff is just wild, honestly. Just look at this. Just look at this. What sort of price movement is this? Anyways, nothing on US 30.
What of the Jones?
It's US 30 that is Dow Jones.
What of TS 100?
Halimat, respect yourself. Which kind of question be that? Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
No. Breakfast.
Euro USD card.
Our guy don't chop breakfast though.
I don't carry come here. When I will just stop that thing.
Make una help us pray for Rash, abeg.
What's happening?
Hmm?
What's happening?
Rash is passing through a lot.
Okay. He'll be fine.
Yes. Amen. We go dey put am for prayer.
I see Euro USD card.
Euro USD card. You dey hear yourself at all?
Guy, they sleep. Oh, Euro USD. Jesus, I don't die.
Halima, why you dey laugh?
Waiting for the
Make I no laugh.
What be Euro USD card?
Make I no
Come,
laugh.
what pair do you want us to take a look at?
Euro USD. Sorry.
Euro USD.
Yes, sir.
We have looked at GBP JPY now. Euro USD. I say I know the talking
No
about
talk of
Euro
that
USD.
one. No.
Euro USD is wild now. This move to the upside was too steep. But then we have this 4-hour resistance, so we can pay attention to that one. This 4-hour resistance, yeah. Resistance turn to support. But then one thing I've observed in the market, yeah, most times when we have these strong impulsive moves, yeah, the next thing that follows is just a short retracement, then a break to the upside. So if we see that this short retracement and a break to the upside, I don't want to do strong hedge, but I might just use short retracement strategy on it. But anyhow, let's just see. I go update now. Anything that happen, you know.
I beg GBP USD.
Who?
GBP USD the range.
GBP USD, you can screenshot it. Someone said GBP JPY. GBP JPY created a low. We can wait for it to retest this area. Do you get? But then it already did something like a lower high here. Do you get? Yeah. So we might just see it break to the downside instead. But then this zone here is still very much valid. Do you get? So let's just pay attention to it and see what happens here.
Yeah, that was the same thing I did though.
Yeah. There's a Telegram group now. Are you know the Telegram group? Who is Threshold Holding Company? Threshold Holding Company. Who is that? Is it any of my students? The person who they talk. Anyways, guys, in the absence of any other pair, what I would like to tell you guys is, please, yeah, pay attention to the markets. We have a lot of high impact news, not just today. Tomorrow is NFP. You get, so everywhere is going to be crazy. Expect it. You understand? So just stay safe and please don't lose your.
Which one? Which one?
Which what?
Which?
Which what?
I'm not go.
This boy.
Which news?
Oh, today they're
did tired.
on GBP and the euro, but then tomorrow is NFP.
Okay.
Now NFP will go use take flip account tomorrow. Stop playing.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you. Maybe
Okay,
carry
guys.
high hopes there.
Okay,
We'll go
guys.
use NFP take flip account tomorrow. One at the play.
Bye. I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow.
Raz, why
These
you
are
dey
guys.
snap? Why you dey screenshot my face?
Wow.
You see, guys, this guy still dey do this thing for here. Kai, oh my.